Well, goodies, I am going to show you how to make one of the best, crunchiest, crispiest wings you could ever have in your kitchen. What? Fast, easy, and simple. Now, if you're here watching me cooking these crispy, crunchy, extra luscious chicken wings for the very first time, be sure to subscribe. Make sure to share my recipes. Turn on your notification settings, goodies, so you will always be reminded whenever I upload a brand new video. Now you want to say, oh, I make them think they're crispy, crunchy, lusciously good in your kitchen? Well, come on and let's get started.
Where you're coming from? You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days and when him feed you. You know when no obligation but to owe him some respect. All you need to do is just give him one to get turn your back on your brother when him need you.
There you have it, y'all. We are done here. Share the recipe with your friends and your family, your neighbors, whoever you want to share it with as usual, right? Nobody be selfish, because I am not selfish either, right? Yes, I saw the things, tea and all these things. Now, tell me what you like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.